One of my last days in Tamale, I found myself in this very beautiful community where I was welcomed as one of them. I shared the background story in another vlog where I met the cleaner of my guest house and I told her I wanted to try out some northern Ghana food. Regina was so kind. She brought me to this place where I ate wasa wasa for the first time, and when I finished eating wasa wasa, I wanted to go home. They told me to wait to see how they were going to prepare their evening meal, TZ and bra soup.
Okay. And this cassava flour.
Oh, so you mix maize and
no, we mix it. But when before the water starts boiling, we get back small. So I'll mix the water.
So while waiting for the evening meal to be cooked, I engaged the kids in the compound into a dance challenge. I was like, the best dancer gets more sweets and more biscuits. Ah, come and see dancing here.
Even though I asked you to dance, you did not dance. The person who danced will have more. You're welcome. Hi guys, so we are in Tamale and my big sister here is showing me how to cook one of their delicacies here. It's called
Sam.
Sam.
Yes.
Oh, is it different from TZ?
That's TZ.
English name is
TZ
TZ.
is Tiwo Zafi.
Tiwo Zafi.
That's TZ. So they abbreviate it TZ. Tiwo Zafi.
Then Sam.
Dagbane. This is Dagbane.
Dagbani.
In Dagbane, Sam. S-A. It's like Jane. M.
Oh, okay.
S-A-G-M. Sam.
So, what are you mixing? Hey! Sorry, Ashe. What is it? Mommy should put you down. I should not talk to mommy.
The TZ is the main local dish in northern Ghana, Tamale. It's made with a little bit of maize flour and cassava flour. The corn flour is boiled, like what we call in Cameroon kinde. It just creates a base for the cassava flour to come in and not create like balls. When the maize flour is ready, the cassava flour is then added and stirred. Water is then added, covered till it is fully cooked. There's a saying in northern Ghana that if you slept without eating TZ, it means you slept hungry. It's a meal loved by everybody except Shikorat.
So during what occasions do you eat the Sam?
Sam. Hey, it's not. It's N is not there.
Sam.
S-A-G-M.
Sam. So what occasions do you eat this food?
All occasions. That's our local.
Okay. So what soup do you eat this with?
You can eat it with any soup. Bra is there, like the one we just cooked. Bra. We have mana. Mankuni. Yes. Mankuni. And we have the fresh okro and then the dry okro.
Okay, so it's a swallow food.
Swallow.
You like swallow food?
I like it.
You
don't like it?
No, I like swallow food. I like swallow food. You're welcome. So if you're in Tamale and you want to marry me, just know that I'm getting ready for you now. This one you will not like you, bruh. You like the rice.
I don't eat it.
You don't eat it at all. This is a city girl.
Don't mind her. No, that's Sam that they use Sam to name her.
And I don't like
That's
it.
what they used to name
her. You don't like
her name
rice.
Her name is Sam.
Hi.
That's local.
Because it's our
It's local.
It's our local, so she doesn't like local.
It's a city girl.
Yes.
TikTok star.
Yes. I'm TikTok star. That's
TikTok star.
why.
TZ can be eaten with a plethora of soups, and right in front of me I have TZ and ayoyo soup. I only got to eat this like the very next day, but for today I am trying TZ and bra soup for the first time. Ayoyo soup is made with okra and ayoyo leaves. I wandered away with Shikorat and I didn't see how the bra soup was prepared, but you're going to see a video of how it looked like.
Abunja want the salmon. Turn it.
I turn it.
Do like this. Beat it. Beat it.
I beat it.
Beat it.
TZ doesn't stay to cook. Once it is boiled, that is it, it gets served. And to my shock, in this part of Ghana, if you're a guest or when you're a guest, you get served first. So my food was served, and yes, we're tasting TZ and brasso for the first time. I am really grateful to this family for welcoming me and giving me a seat at their table. God bless them.
How is your country?
Ghana is more developed than Cameroon.
Don't say that.
I'm telling you, by far more developed. I just got served my TZ. I'm waiting for it to get cold and then I'll just dive in.
Join your eye, don't me, madam. How do you see it?
It's strange.
It's strange.
Yes, it's new in my mouth.
So you try it and you like it.
It's just new in my mouth.
That means that you don't have that kind of.
No, we don't have it. Even our fufu is not like this. The one we make with corn flour. It doesn't taste like this.
Okay. What about the wasosa? Was it also strange or it looked as if
it was rice? It was like this rice.
It's like rice.
Rice. It tasted like rice in my mouth. Well, that was it about my time with this family. I think from here we just started playing around. This was my last night in Tamale. The very next day I traveled from Tamale to Kumasi. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you all in my next video.
9, 10, 8. Oh, this is my Bicho. How are you? How are you? How are you doing, darling? 8, 1. Give it to me. 8, 1, 2, 3. Bicho. Hey! Bicho, give it to me. 1, Bicho, 2, Bicho. Hey. We all did it. We did it. Let's go. Bicho. Hey. Let's go.